Welcome back to the Car Xplorer. Today we're diving into the future of travel and luxury with the all-new 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a masterpiece that redefines what comfort, innovation, and adventure mean on the road. Volvo has taken its Scandinavian design philosophy to a whole new level, blending elegance, advanced technology, and sustainability into one extraordinary mobile home. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome carries a commanding and futuristic presence on the road. Its aerodynamic body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, designed not just for looks, but for enhanced fuel efficiency and stability. The signature Thor Hammer LED headlights give it an unmistakably Volvo identity, while the massive panoramic windshield provides an incredible view of the open road ahead. The large chrome grille, integrated solar roof panels, and sleek side mirrors with built-in cameras give the vehicle both a high-tech and eco-friendly edge. The retractable awning, automatic side steps, and rear storage compartments are thoughtfully designed to make life on the move effortless. Every curve and surface feels sculpted with precision, emphasizing Volvo's clean and timeless Scandinavian aesthetic. Moving inside, the Volvo Motorhome welcomes you into a world of pure serenity and sophistication. Step into the cabin, and you're surrounded by minimalist Scandinavian luxury, premium wood accents, soft ambient lighting, and sustainable leather upholstery that exude warmth and comfort. The driver's cockpit is a futuristic digital command center, featuring a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment display, a fully digital driver's cluster, and Volvo's latest AI-based voice assistant that handles navigation, entertainment, and even climate control. The panoramic roof floods the entire cabin with natural light, making the space feel open and inviting. The living area feels like a high-end hotel suite on wheels. It includes a smart sofa that converts into a bed with the push of a button, a foldable dining table, and hidden storage spaces crafted with precision. The kitchen area is compact yet practical, featuring an induction stove, a smart refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee maker. Volvo has also integrated a digital home control system, allowing you to adjust lights, blinds, temperature, and even monitor battery and water levels from a single touchscreen or via smartphone. The rear section houses a luxurious bedroom with a queen-sized bed, memory foam mattress, and premium linens. The bathroom, meanwhile, includes a rainfall shower, touchless sink, and eco-flush toilet, all powered by an efficient water recycling system. Every corner reflects Volvo's focus on comfort, safety, and sustainable luxury. Performance-wise, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Under the sleek body lies Volvo's new hybrid electric drivetrain, offering a perfect balance between power and efficiency. The electric motors provide instant torque, ensuring smooth acceleration even for a vehicle of this size, while the combustion engine extends range for long road trips. The total system output sits around 500 horsepower, and the battery pack alone offers up to 300 kilometers of pure electric range. Volvo's advanced air suspension system adjusts automatically to road conditions, giving passengers an incredibly smooth ride, whether cruising on highways or exploring off-grid trails. The motorhome also features regenerative braking, intelligent energy management, and adaptive drive modes that optimize performance depending on your route and terrain. Safety, as always, remains at the heart of Volvo's DNA. The 2026 motorhome is equipped with the latest driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and even a self-parking system. It's one of the safest motorhomes ever built, giving peace of mind on every journey. As for the price, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome starts around $280,000 for the base model. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.